What's the plan today, Hayden?
Get money.
God, this fucking Jeep is horrible. Why do we choose this Jeep?
I'm telling you, bro, this is the worst.
Look at all this freaking thing. God. So today, we're actually supposed to go to Baytown, to Houston Raceway Park, and shoot some video footage of the Mexico Racing League Mustang. But it's raining. Instead, we're gonna take advantage of the gear that we have and have some fun with it. So let's get to it.
I can't think of anything cool to say.
First stop of the B-roll challenge, I guess you can say. My buddy Joseph's T-Rex shop, E-Tune Auto Sports. Let's get it.
We've been acting out for days, nothing to deny. Blown up because it goes through the halls. You keep sleeping on the couch just to prove the point. I'm too proud to tell you when I'm wrong. Arguments spinning in circles, we're fighting for days, stuck in a phase. I think we're losing the reason. One word is all it takes, babe. Bursting out in cold flames, breathing, we are catching fire. Thought that we were wiser. Go and light the match, babe. Miss out on the good days. Breathing, we are catching fire.
Alright, so number 2 spot. And we're in a parking garage with Lethal Slowly and his badass Supra. Let's go. I know Hayden is enjoying because he's like a Supra lover. But I was against this, just so everybody knows. Stop number 3. We're actually waiting on my brother to meet us out here. But while we're here, let's go ahead and do the Jeep as well. Why not? Maybe you're wondering why the hell we're doing B-roll of just some random shit. Well, the reason why, like I said, we were supposed to be at that event and we rented this badass Sony A7R III. We really wanted to check it out because I think Hayden might buy one.
Maybe.
Unfortunately, that fell through, so we're stuck with the Sony and we don't want to let that go to waste. So that's why we're doing this. We're gonna try to capture as much as we can. This thing goes up to 120 FPS frames per second, in case you don't know what that means. And that's what's giving us the buttery smooth slow motion that I've been yearning for all of my life. For real. He's here. Let's get to it. God, that car's beautiful every time I see it. I'm gonna buy it from him one day. Probably not, but I want another one.
let me go, go, let me go, go, let me go.
I told you I'm not yours anymore. No, I'm not yours. So why you trying to hold on when I'm not there for you? Wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own game, and I don't need you here. So won't you let me go? Wanna take this ball and chain that you have put on me and throw it out the window. I think that you should let go, cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go. Maybe I should have known that you are not the right one for me. Let go. I should have known, I should have known you are not right for me. So let go, so let me go, so let me go. You are not right for me, so let go, go. Let me go, go, let me go, go. Let me go, let me go, let me go, go. Let me go, go, let me go. Go, go, let me go, go, go. Don't call me, I don't wanna talk to you. I'm better off not talking to you. But why you trying to hold on, to hold on, to hold on? Wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own game, and I don't need you here. So won't you let me go? Wanna take this ball and chain that you have put on me and throw it out the window. I think that you should let go, cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go.
We're going under, there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story.
Backlash written on me, card popping on a glass bowl. I've been ballin', free my ladies in the counting down. I'm already out, already on the countdown. I'ma set it right. Got the backlash written on me, cold running from the pole, and it's on me. Don't know which way we're going now, I don't wanna know it. Might as well be going down, I don't wanna know it.
We're going up, we're going under, there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story. We're going under, and there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story.
Backlash written on me, card popping on a glass bowl. I've been ballin', free my ladies in the counting down. I'm already out, already on the countdown. I'ma set it right. Already on the countdown. I'ma set it right. Backlash, I'ma set it right. Got the backlash written on me, card popping on a glass bowl. I've been ballin', free my ladies in the counting down. I'm already out.
Come in this store, in this store. We're going up, we're going under, there's nothing we can.
Alright, so we're putting some power down. I still have to take the centerpiece out. Probably do that sometime this week, but I want to get it out to check those splines, because as you can see, it did break right there at the spline, so I want to make sure they're still good. Hopefully it's just this axle and we can just put another one in it and go finish the year strong. So that's it. That's where I'm gonna end this video, and I'm gonna get back to work.
Heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story.